for expansion point of view, you can say that our aim is that our machine, our GoFresh, should be everywhere in corporates, hospitals, tourist places.
We do have done some R&D, and we are developing that system so that in future on we can offer multiple types of glasses like small, medium or large.
They can start this vending machine business from as low as from 2 lakh rupees. And it depends on if they want to install a juice vending machine, they can go for 8 lakh rupees as well.
We do have RFID system, so some schools are having their punch card, so we can issue that punch. We can link that punch card with our machine.
So now Mrityunjay has joined us. He is the founder and CTO of GoFresh. So Mrityunjay, first in India, juice and fresh salad vending machine. How hard was it for you to develop it as a tech?
Yeah, so definitely it was hard initially, as we have developed the first of its kind in India. So initially we have dig deep in R&D, and we have invested a lot of time and money too. And approximately 1.5 years we have invested to develop this machine. Initially, when we are having the first prototype, it was the major challenge we faced for the smooth operations. Like, if a customer is ordering a fresh juice with the machine, that should be without any human intervention. So initially the time was the major challenge, like 45 seconds, Vikas and Dishant mentioned earlier. So we are offering juices within 45 seconds through the machine without any human intervention. So that was the major challenge for us, which we have finally figured out. And now we are successfully running our machine in Paytm building, sector 125, Noida.
So when you build something that is created for the first time, it is very important that your team has binded potentially and very strong. So how do you say that as a tech person, your CMO or your CEO was with you when you were developing that product?
See, the team builds with a strong bond. So as a GoFresh, we have a strong bond of more than 10 years right now. So we have spent just not with the business perspective, not with just GoFresh. We have spent more than out of GoFresh. And from college, me and Vikas were the batchmates. Then we met with Dishant, and from then to now we have shared everything, like different perspective of the life also and to the business also. That what make us a strong team for GoFresh also, outside and inside too.
True.
So Dishant, you also think that Mrityunjay has helped you a lot in that. All right. So Mrityunjay, my next question from you will be that vending machine technology is very rapidly growing in India right now, right? So do you think that if a new business owner wants to go into the vending machine industry, do you think he should build their own technology or should get it from someone else?
So yeah, definitely that's a very good question, and that's what we have thought of few years back when we have started. So right now, rather than going for building a new product, if you can get it at some price and some cheaper price from the overseas countries, and as compared to overseas countries, if you can get that product in India on a cheaper price, then definitely you should go on that price, buy it, test it, and then you can take your call whether you should go for the manufacturing or just having a product from a third party vendor or some tie-ups and start doing your business.
And adding to that, you can say that if a machine and everything is available in the market at a cheaper rate, so as an investor, people can invest in that machine. They go to greedy market and they can do their business also.
Just to add on, so nobody's have perfection in everything. So we have our strong and passionate team behind the R&D and everything. So if we are good at manufacturing, we are doing that and maintaining operation and selling machines or selling franchises. So if a person is coming and he is good at business, then he should opt that thing, going for the business rather than going for the developing a machine and investing time in tech. That's my call.
And all the things we are doing for an India market, and we are focused on India and B2B and B2C market.
Dishant, as you said, you are India focused. So what are your future plans for your company, and what do you think? Where can you take GoFresh?
For future plans, we are seeking a new development. We are developing a new machine into vegetable juices. So after a few months, we can develop a vegetable juice machine as well. And for expansion point of view, you can say that our aim is that our machine, our GoFresh, should be everywhere in corporates, hospitals, tourist places. and people can, if they want a fresh juice, they should remember GoFresh, anytime, anywhere, 24 hours.
So, since you have started your first machine in Noida, and things will get harder and bigger from
Agreed.
now on, right?
True.
So, do you think what will be your strategy from now as you want to grow pan India and you want to put your machines pan India across all locations?
Agreed.
So, how do you think will it be, and how hard will it be for you to grow?
That question is good, and it will be hard. It will be challenging because it takes time. Secondly, we are open to franchises as well. We are in talks with different people as well, and we are putting direct machine counter as well. So we are open to both. If we are getting opportunities, we are giving franchises as well, and we are in talks as well. And if we are getting direct counters, we are installing our machines as well.
So, talking about franchisee, can you explain a little bit more about that?
In franchisee, we operate on a FOCO model, that is franchisee owned company operated model. In that, investors just want to invest in our machine. Our machine cost is franchisee cost is 8 lakh plus GST, and after that, all the operation from A to Z, with in terms of selecting location, in terms of handling operations, refilling, everything, that is be done by GoFresh team. And we are giving an ERP system, or you can say it is a cloud-based system, which will be handling. We are giving a portal to the customer as well, investor as well, and he can check out how many juices has been sold in the day, what are the refilling options, what are the refilling days, all he can check through that cloud-based system. So this is the concept, FOCO model, franchisee owned company operate, in that everything is being done by the company.
So, Mrityunjay, as the CTO of the company, I want to know from you what is the full procedure of the GoFresh vending machine?
Yeah. So we have kept the operations really simple for the end consumer. Backend, if we are having few glitches or something that we have to handle, but for the customers we are providing a very easy solution. So we have a touch screen to command with. You will go to the touch screen, you will choose the product of your choice. You can add or subtract the quantity, followed by the payment. Once the payment is done, that is the customer part from the touch screen. Once the payment is done, glass will automatically drop down, it will be rotated, it will go to the juicer. From the feeding hopper, fresh without peeled oranges will be dropped down, it will be peeled, squeezed out, and juice will be dropped into the glass, and glass will come out. Once the glass will be on the shutter, it will automatically open and customer can take out the glass, and this whole process will take approximately a minute or 45 seconds.
On adding this, we are in this juice, it is without dilution, without any human intervention, pure, without water, and without added preservatives.
So, your vending machine has only one type of quantity right now available for juices, or different types of quantity, different types of glasses or quantity that you are selling?
So currently we have a standard glass that is just the normal glass we are offering at 50 rupees. That is also not that much unaffordable. That is really affordable price, I would say. And secondly, we do have done some R&D, and we are developing that system so that in future on we can offer multiple types of glasses like small, medium, or large. Something like that we can do in future, definitely.
All right. So, Dishant, I want to know from you that as a consumer, for me as a consumer, it is hard to go on a vending machine and then, get a glass of juice. If I see if it is much more easier for me to go downstairs and pick juice from the vendor. Right?
Agreed.
So, how are you going to tackle that? Because the consumer mindset, the Indian consumer mindset is based on that only.
So in short, you can say that there is a lack of awareness, lack of knowledge. You can say that as we are already installed the machine in the Paytm building, so we are getting huge responses, and the people are understanding the concept as well, and they are adapting also. So as of now, people are more into adaptation stage, and we will be not facing more challenges. It's just all about awareness, and after getting aware, they are getting habitual.
So, Mrityunjay, what are the different types of payment methods that right now you are allowing into your vending machine?
Yeah, so we do have multiple payment modes, like cash we are offering with the cash acceptor. Second, we have UPI payment, that is a digital payment. Third, we have RFID option also, and card payment also we have integrated in the machine. So multiple different type of modes we have for the payment system that we have integrated right now.
All right. So there might be a big challenge when you go into schools, right? there might be possible challenges that the schools don't allow cash or RFID cards in their school premises, right?
Right.
So how are you going to overcome that challenge?
Yeah, so for that thing, cash is allowed everywhere. It's so general. So we have the cash acceptor for that problem. And apart from that, we do have RFID system. So some schools are having their punch card. So we can issue that punch, we can link that punch card with our machine so that students or teachers, anyone can have our fresh juices with the GoFresh.
And adding to that, we are providing a wallet account to their parents, and parents can recharge according to their needs. And the student has just to tap the card and machine will dispense the juice.
So Dishant, what are your plans for the next 2 to 3 years? What do you think that your future goals will be, and how at that time, after 2 or 3 or 4, 5 years, what do you think your vending machines number will be at that time?
At this stage, defining the number is a very it will be wrong on our side. We are hoping for a machine in each and every city where we want to expand. Secondly, starting with metro cities and hospitals. Our aim is that every hospital, every shopping mall, every university, every corporate should have our machine as a fresh juice option. This is our goal and this is our vision. And in near future, we are open to export as well, and we are open for global market as well.
So in the past for 2-3 years, we have seen that India had a lot of vending machines, manual vending machines, which used to accept cash, and the cash used to get stuck in the vending machine. So in fact, right now in 2023, there are digital payment modes, cash acceptor, RFID cards that you talked about, but still people are afraid to use vending machines. What do you think is the reason behind that?
See, so the basic reason is the awareness, and second is the adaptability. Like if we go few years back in time, like before 10 to 12 years before, we were having ATMs, that is a cash dispensing machine, that is a type of vending machine also. So people are not used to those vending machines like ATMs, but now ATMs is on every places, and we can see easily people are handling their cash transactions with the machine. So similarly, we are also we are also giving knowledge. We are also taking an opportunity to interact with the customers, on ground customers, so that we can tell them how the machine operates and how easy it with GoFresh to have a fresh glass of juice with the machine. So that's how we are maintaining these things. And also the problem with the cash stuck thing. So before we launch our machine in the market, we have our testing phase in approximately 15 to 20 days. We have our testing phase in our factory and on ground also. Then we install these machines to the market. So that is a very low percentage of the failure of cash transactions.
And adding to that, you can say after introducing a UPI or after a geo effect, everyone is opting UPI system.
Right.
So our machine is having UPI system as well, digital transaction. More and more, less and less people are going for cash, and after transactioning one time, they are into more comfort zone.
Yes, like as data suggests in our like inventory system, we have observed that if we go on a monthly basis, less than 1 or 1.5% transactions are with the cash, and rest are with the digital payment or with the RFID. So we have very lesser chances of doing cash transactions in future.
And in this era, everyone is having a smartphone, and everyone is okay with UPI and all. So we don't have any other option in this era.
So Dishant, since vending machine in India is a growing market, right?
Yeah.
And a lot of people are trying to get into that industry.
Agreed.
So what will be your advice to the viewers that want to get into the vending machine industry?
There's a good opportunity, right time, right place, like a 2000 boom for internet boom. So the same boom is there for a vending machine in this era. And secondly, they can start this vending machine business from as low as from 2 lakh rupees. And it depends on if they want to install a juice vending machine, they can go for 8 lakh rupees as well. And there is a huge ROI depending on the machine which they are putting. And great opportunity, future is bright.
Mrityunjay, I want to ask you that since you have developed the first of its kind in India juice vending machine, how big of an advantage is that in the coming years? How do you think, what will be your advantage in the next coming 2 to 3 years?
Yeah, so for that, like we are the first one, so early mover advantage is always there. So we have developed the machine, we are testing the machine, but now definitely some new players will come to the market. So we can't stop them, but we can buy time also, time definitely. So we have filed the patent, that is in process. Apart from that, we are improvising our system day by day. So that is like the thing is, we are not stopping, we are improvising our system day by day. So whether a new player are coming or not, but we are continuously growing, continuously improvising, taking feedback from the customers, doing on-ground surveys. So all those things mixing and matching, and we are improvising our product to give our customers the real taste with added health benefits with GoFresh.
As I already said that we are India's focus. So we are taking input from Indian customers on ground, and we are making and developing the vending machine according to the Indian standard and Indian customer needs. So we are having good opportunities. We can expand.
But since you are the first of its kind vending machine that dispenses different types of juices.
Agreed.
Right.
So do you think you will be going to different countries or apart from India that will be selling your vending juice?
Yeah, we are open to that as well, and we are in talks with different people in different countries. Hope so the deals will be maturing it.
So Mrityunjay, the hot topic in every industry right now is AI. ChatGPT, Binge, and now Google is also bringing their AI.
Right.
So do you think AI is a boon or a curse for a vending machine industry? And if it's a boon, how do you think vending machine industry will take advantage of AI?
Right. So really very hot topic. So technology is always a boon for consumers. That depends how you are using that. And for the vending machines, definitely if we are using AI with vending machine, that hasn't happened across the globe yet. So we are into R&D for that also. So if we are integrating AI with vending machine, that will be a different industry 4.0 or 5.0 we would say. And for that, what we are doing, like customer is coming to the machine or ordering a glass of sugarcane juice right now. So next time, once the same customer will come to the machine, AI will automatically detect and it will suggest you what juice suits you or what juice you should have for the next time. So that's how we are integrating AI for now, and also we are inbuilding multiple features with AI, and we are into R&D and that. And later or sooner we will be launching AI in vending machine definitely.
And adding to that, the machine will sense that, and they will be telling to the customer. In fact, customer will not remembering. He will be telling, the machine will be automatically telling that which juice he has been taken in the last, when he has visited the last to the machine, what type of juice he has already consumed, so that it will be easy for the customer to decide which type of juice he wants.
So first of its kind juice vending machine, and then integrating AI into that, it will be a great achievement, right?
Yeah,
Right.
any day.
Yeah. So last question I would like to ask you, Dishant, is that for our viewers, if they want to contact you for any kind of services or help, how they can contact you?
Very simple. They can connect to website, our LinkedIn account, email IDs, or our contact number, which is already mentioned in the link below. So we are most welcome for any other queries, any other solutions.
So thank you so much for joining us. It was great talking to the GoFresh team, and all the best for your future endeavors. We hope that we see GoFresh vending machines in every part of India.
Thank you, Yash, for the time and the support as well.
Thanks
So-
a lot. We had a great time with you.
So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video and liked the GoFresh team and their idea of creating a juice vending machine. So you'll find all their contact details in the description below, their email ID, their contact number, and their website. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.